If you have a dog and you want to improve its health, then high-protein dog foods are best solution for you. These high-protein dog foods have mixed supplements of vitamins and minerals that help the healthy life of your dog. They improve lean muscle growth, stronger immune system, and nourishes healthy skin and shiny coat. In order to help you to find out the right one, we have selected and reviewed best high-protein dog foods. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Purina Pro Plan Dog Food. It is high-protein formula with real beef and fortified with live probiotics that supports digestive and immune health. It has hard kibble with tender shredded for taste and texture that helps to maintain lean muscles and body condition. It nourishes healthy skin and shiny coat and provides your dog safe, happy and healthy life. It provides 100% complete and balanced nutrition for adult dogs and offers an optimal protein and fat ratio for maximize the enjoyment of life. It is easy to use. Just fill his bowl and give him a great tasting probiotic dog food that is designed to help him thrive. Number 2. Victor Super Premium Dog Food. It is a gluten-free high-protein dog food with a dense nutrients that provides sustained energy for dogs with high physical demands. This formula is suitable to meet the nutritional levels of pregnant dogs, lactating females and puppies. This super premium dog food has exclusive mix of supplements, vitamins and minerals which helps to maximize the genetic potential of every dog. It supports superior digestibility, strong immune system function and coat for every dog, and provides healthy and happy life for your pet. Number 3. EARMS High Protein Dog Food. It manages healthy weight in dogs, increases energy levels and counters tartar buildup between teeth. This tailored formula maintains bones and joints health and promotes strong muscles with quality protein sourced. It promotes healthy digestion and immunity with tailored blend of wholesome fibers and prebiotics. This food also contains rosemary extract and rich antioxidants that also great for the healthy skin. Number 4. Orijen Dry Dog Food. It has fresh and raw animal ingredients including meat, organs, cartilage and bone that helps to maintain a lean and athletic frame. This food delivers whole animal ingredients and nourishes dogs according to their natural and biological needs. It is grain-free diet that helps to support your dog digestive health and provides peak nourishment. It eliminates the need for long lists of synthetic supplements and provides health support that helps to thrive for a lifetime. Number 5. Blue Buffalo Wilderness Dry Dog Food. This formula with more salmon can satisfy your dog's natural love for meat and helps to build and maintain lean muscles. It contains omega-3 and 6 fatty acids for skin and coat health and provides your puppies happy and safe life. It is made with the ingredients that helps to support your large breed's requirements, including glucosamine and chondroitin for joint health. It has precise blend of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that provide support for immune system health. Number 6. Pedigree High Protein Dog Food. It is high protein and soft dog food that is made with chicken, beef and lamb in an irresistible texture. It has 100% complete and balanced nutrients with enriched omega-6 fatty acids that nourishes your dog's skin and coat. It provides healthier and shinier coat, improved skin health, lean muscle growth and a stronger immune system. This delicious food is suitable for dogs of all sizes and provides safe, happy and healthy life.